favorite mug. Coffee in the morning, soft light through blinds. Tell me what you're thinking while you stir the cream. Simple moments like these make me wonder, are you happy here in this quiet space with me nearby, watching you move through with ordinary things.
Onions while my mind unwinds. Street popping thoughts should fall in tension gets released. In my kitchen space, where the healing takes place, chopping vegetables like meditation. Every meal's a small celebration. Garlic sizzling, memories materializing. Sunday dinners with my grandmother advising. Cook with love, she used to say, season with your soul. Now I'm stirring stories into every single bowl. Pasta water boiling, emotion slowly cooling. Food becomes the language when my heart needs schooling. In my kitchen space, where the healing takes place, chopping vegetables like meditation. Every meal's a small celebration. Started cooking when the world got heavy on my chest. Couldn't find the words but found comfort in this blessed art of transformation, raw ingredients to gold. Measuring my progress.